guys, welcome to a new video. This is a highly requested video on how I install my wig, how I give it this really natural what lace type of look. What lace? Where is it? I can't see it. It's not there. This is my scalp, my hair. So yeah, what I used in this video was a blow dryer, a wig cap, foundation to give it, the color of my skin, ghost bond, lace glue with a spoolie for the edges. Whatever you use for your edges, you could use the same thing. And I also use Edgewax to Murray's Edgewax to help with the edges. Let's get right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what else you guys want to see in the future regarding hair. Like, I know for sure I'll be making a video on how I make my wigs, because I made this wig. I make all of my wigs. Yeah, so let's get right into it and enjoy. Okay. So to begin, I'm gonna move this back right past my hairline, like right where. So when I put the glue, it doesn't come on my hair at all. So after I move the wig cap back, I'm going to clean my hairline of the makeup so that when I put the glue, it looks clean and there's nothing there. So I'm just putting some toner to clean it up like that. So for my glue, I'm using the Ghost Bond XL with extra moisture control. This is almost done, basically. So I'm just gonna put some in my hairline. And then I'm gonna spread it in a thin layer. Over here, I'm gonna push my hair back to put it down here where my sideburns are. So because I don't put the glue on my hair, when I put the wig, it sheds like a good 2 inches off my, is it 2 inches? Maybe 1 inch off my forehead. So like my forehead is mad big. But when I put the wig, it looks so much smaller. Because who want to look like they have a 5 head? You know what I mean? So that's a little trick. Catfish. I'm not a catfish. But you gotta have little tricks and whatnot. Now I'm gonna just take my blow dryer and dry it out. Then I'm gonna bring the wig cap past the, like this, and I'm gonna dry it again. Now I'm taking my little handy dandy scissors. I'm gonna start cutting on this side. Like the way you cutting it doesn't even really matter, but you just gotta cut like after the glue. See? Like, the edges on the wig, they come all the way down over here, so I have to put glue here. I'm gonna go back with my like brush that I used earlier, and I'm gonna put more foundation on it so that it really blends into the skin, so that it looks seamless from when I put my wig, so it doesn't look like, it doesn't look like skin and then hair, Now I'm gonna put a second layer of the Ghost Bond for the wig. Like the first layer was for the cap. Now I'm gonna put a second layer for the wig. So y'all be seeing the wigs that be coming like almost on like the eyebrows. Not cute. So we want to make sure it's realistic looking. Put it down here. Now we're gonna take the blow dryer again, dry it to a clear, like it's starting to look clear, but we want to make it look clearer. The glue and everything, those are the easy steps. Now I'm taking the wig and putting it down is one of the hard steps. So my wig is already plucked and I have my baby hairs already. And it's brand new, washed. Cut it, flip it. Now like it's not on the hairline. We wanna fix it to where you really want it from ear to ear. And then you bring it to the glue because once it's on the glue, it's hard to go back. So fix it good. Ear to ear. Brush all the hair back. Now I'm gonna put the hair on the glue. So bring it to the middle first, and then that's when you fix the sides. After you put it in the middle, after that you fix the sides. So middle first, put it down, and then you bring the sides down. So this side is down now. Sometimes you gotta like glue some places, like here it's not down because I only put the glue like on my hairline, not on it, but you know what I mean. Now I'm taking some tissue, cleaning under here where the wig is not glued down, just this part. I'm gonna clean it of any makeup just in case, and then put the glue down. It's okay if it passes under the lace, like if it comes more forward. I'm gonna just clean it up after. While I was drying just this part, I also dried the side that's already down just to really make sure that everything is down. While you put the lace down, you want to also make sure that the hair is not sticking down, because if the hair sticks down, it's gonna be harder to like do your baby hairs. So lace is down. Okay, so boom. Brush everything back. Alright, so for my edges, I use like disposable spoolies. So like this. Now I'm about to just give them the shape without putting it down yet. So to put them down permanently, I use Murray's Edgewax with the Ghost Bomb. So I mix them. So swoop that like that. Swoop it. Give it the shape. This is without the edge wax, but now I'm putting the edge wax on it to really make it stay. Like doing hair and stuff, it's really practice. Honestly, like it's not gonna look perfect the first time you do it. It might look good the second time, but you're not just gonna learn from the jump. You know, you gotta practice. That's how I do like everything. So basically what I do is I brush all the long hairs back And then I pull back just like I hold it down here and I pull back just the edges like this. I did an amazing plucking job on this wig. Like it looks like scalp for real. Who's telling me what? Nobody. Put this down. See here it looks perfect. Here it looks just like scalp. That's my cry. Okay, now that I put basically kind of put everything down with the Edgewax, now I'm gonna go in with the Ghost Bond and put it over it just for like a seal to really make it stay and last. And then boom, it stays down like forever. Not forever, but you get the gist. Like that. And then the next side. The edges over here, they be staying regardless. Like barely have to do them like a second time because the first time they stay. Basically. A little bit more. And I'm gonna do this side now. Look like the other one. See what I said? After you put the Ghost Bond, stuck. It's not moving. Now that all my edges are down, I'm gonna go back with the blow dryer. I really don't like this one, but what could I do? Nothing, it's already down. And then I'm gonna dry it. Now I'm going to flat iron the hair. So I'm gonna take one part up. What y'all know about this? And yelling cup when it's shooting time. Sign up, it's cool time. Big wigs with a suit and tie and them big things got two inside. Fuck one with these whole niggas. Don't do coke, I don't blow niggas. I don't tell niggas, I show niggas. And it's never less than like 4 niggas. 4 wings and some friends. I'ma give bitches a minute to shine and I'll tell them good riddance. To raise a child, it might take a village. But I wouldn't know cause these bitches my sons, yes they was and they still is. Sky roll a check, helicopter pad, dropping off a body bag. Money talk, guess I got to give a gab. Don't interject, don't intercept, you ain't on a jet. You ain't need a bitch with this kind of money. Yeah, I gotta order more, I ain't set the Look at y'all sharing one bottle in the club, one bottle full of pub ass niggas. Look at y'all not having game ass niggas, y'all niggas share chain ass niggas.
Ain't checked your Twitter in a week, I'm really proud of myself. Normally I take a peek and then be mad at myself while I'm rummaging.
Okay, hair is flat ironed. Like one little piece is not flat ironed. That bugs me. Making sure everything is straight. No little pieces. Okay. Okay, now everything is flat. I'm gonna put it half up, half down. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the end of the video, guys, of how I slay my wig. I hope y'all like it, because this is how I do it. The mystery is gone. The video is out. Bliss text on the lips. Okay, so give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys found this helpful, what else you want to see regarding like hair stuff. Yeah, so bye, have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching.